Good morning, student. As you know, we are doing a chapter practical geometry. Today we are going to start exercise 4.5. In this exercise, there is some special case. First question is square. We are drawing a that is a reed. RE side is given 5.1 centimeter. Clear? In a square, we know that all the angles are 90 degree. So how we will draw it? We will draw it like this way. First, we will take it as a base 5.1 centimeter. Clear? We will take a 5.1 centimeter as a base. Then I will give a name as RE. Clear? After this, I am going to plot it a 90-degree angle at point R and at point E. With the help of compass, here 60. Then how we will draw a 90-degree angle? With the bisection of 60 and 120. Then I got it. But there is a minor difference. You can adjust accordingly. Here is a point R and E. Now open in a square. We know that all the sides are equal. So we will open a compass 5.1 centimeter and we will keep it at point E and cut it at a 5.1 centimeter. Here also, where both the arcs are intersecting, giving a name as A and D. After that, join it. You will get a complete quadrilateral reed. If you have any doubt, then please let me know. Clear? 5.1 centimeter, 90 degree. This is also a 90 degree, 5.1 centimeter. Clear? Any doubt? Then please tell to me. Is it visible now? Complete one. Step of construction you will write by your own. Now come to question number next. In this question we have to draw a rhombus. Diagonals are given 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. Here bache, we know that in a rhombus diagonals are perpendicularly bisect. So how we will do? First of all, we will draw a line segment 6.4 centimeter. After that, we will find the bisection. Here A, here is a C. Clear? After that, I will find the bisection perpendicular bisector. More than half, I will open a compass. In the class 6th you have done. Then I got a perpendicular bisector of the line segment. Is it clear? Now you know that the perpendicular diagonals are perpendicularly bisect. So what is the half of 5.2 is? That is a 2.6. Now I am going to open a compass 2.6 centimeter and keeping at point the center point where both the diagonals are cutting, keeping here, making an arc up and down of the perpendicular bisector line segment. Clear? Then after that I will join, I will get a rhombus. After joining the line segment, give a name B and D. Label it. It's a 6.4 centimeter. This one is a 5.2 centimeter. Clear? If you have any doubt, then please tell to me. Next question, question number 3. A rectangle with the adjacent side of a length is 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Again, we know in a rectangle the vertex angles are 90 degree. So how we will draw it? First I will draw the line segment AB as a base. At point A, I will draw a 90 degree angle. Same as it is at point B also. Then perpendicular bisector, I got it. Clear? Now the next side is given 4 centimeter here, 4 centimeter. Clear? Then now I'm going to open a compass, 4 centimeter. Making an arc here. They both are intersecting, giving a name as C and D. Then I will join it with the help of pencil. Clear? Now label it 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter. You get a rectangle A, B, C, D. Step of construction, you will write it by your own. Clear? Next question is question 4. You have to plot a parallelogram in which OK is given 5.5 centimeter and KA is given 4.2 centimeter. But in this question, we know that in a parallelogram, adjacent angles are 180 degree, but here angle is not mentioned, so that's why it is not a unique. Someone can take a 120 degree and 60 degree, another one can take 85 and 95. Clear? Another one can टेक 110 एंड 70. तो कोई बच्चा किसी भी एंगल से कम कर सकता है, इस वजह से ये क्वेश्चन यूनिक नहीं है. क्लियर? दिस क्वेश्चन इज नॉट अ यूनिक बिकॉज any student can take 120 and 60 degree. Another one can take 85 degree and 95 degree, 110 and 70. So हर बच्चा अलग अलग कंसेप्ट से कर सकता है. हमेशा पैरेललोग्राम ही बनेगी, बट we want to get a unique तभी बनती है when the angle should be given to you. Clear? So at the last I am going to say that this is not a unique parallelogram, but I am drawing with the help of compass, taking angle 120 and 60 degree. Clear? First I have plotted line segment OK as a 5.5 centimeter. At point O, I am going to plot it a 60 degree angle. At point O, I am plotting a 60 degree. At point K, I am going to plot a 120 degree. Due to space, I am not plotting 120 degree angle at point O. Then pass the lines. Pass the line from 60 degree and from a 120. Clear? After that, open a compass 4.2 centimeter. Keeping at point K, marking an arc here. In the same way, I am going to mark it here, because in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. OKY. Then join it. We get the parallelogram OK. Clear? So students, I am going to say it again at the last. It is not a unique parallelogram. Reason I have already told to you. If the angle can be 120, 60, angle can be 85, 95, angle can be 110 and 70. If they will set given the angles to you, then you can say that it is a unique parallelogram. Thank you beta. Thank you so much.